everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars login loop problems. If Brawl Stars keep looping back to the login screen, this is usually a sync or a connection issue. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues or vice versa. Also, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. After that, restart your app. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find Brawl Stars and then swipe it away, then reopen it. After that, make sure you're logged in to the current Google Play, Apple ID or Supercell ID account. Disable VPNs and private DNS settings as they can interfere with login authentication. If the loop continues, reinstall the app and log in again carefully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.